Hello everyone, this is Sai Sri and welcome to my channel. So previously we have seen Kirchhoff current law, voltage law and the current divider rule. So this is the voltage division rule or problems on voltage division. So firstly, in a circuit, the voltage will divide when the resistances are in series. So if the resistances are in series, the voltage will divide as V1, V2, V3 and the current is constant. So the same current will flow throughout the same resistors. So in order to find the voltage across 5 ohms or the 10 ohms or the 15 ohms, the formula is voltage source. So what is the voltage source they will provide? So that voltage source into resistance at which we want to find the voltage. So if you want to find the 10 ohms resistors voltage, we have to write 10 ohms by the sum of resistances which we have. So let us see a simple problem to understand this voltage division. So here we have 30 volts voltage source, 5 ohms, 10 ohms and the 15 ohms. So here they asked us to find the V1, V2, V3. So nothing but voltage across 5 ohms, voltage across 10 ohms and the voltage across 15 ohms. So firstly, we have to find the R equivalent. So R equivalent is equal to, so why we are finding R equivalent is nothing but, so in denominator we use sum of resistances. So nothing but R equivalent. So R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So that is 10 plus 15 plus 5, that is equal to 10 ohms. So VR1 or V5 ohms is equal to, so what is the formula we have? Voltage source. So voltage source is 30 into, we want to find the voltage across 5 ohms. So the 5 ohms by the R equivalent. R equivalent is nothing but sum of resistances. So sum of resistance is 30. So that is equal to 5 volts. And the VR2 or at 10 ohms is equal to 10 by 30 into 10 is at what voltage we are finding, and the voltage source is 30. So 30 volts and VR3 is equal to 15 by 30 into 30. So that is equal to 15 volts. So this is the second problem. What is the value of Vx in the circuit using voltage division? So here we have 2 ohms resistor, 3 ohms resistor. So these two are in series. So the voltage will divide. So here if you see, these two resistances are in parallel. So we have to make it R equivalent so that these three resistances, so R equivalent and these two resistances are in series. So firstly 10 is parallel to 10. So the R equivalent will be 10 into 10 by 10 plus 10. So this is the formula. So if you take R equivalent 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, taking LCM and solving, R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, which I have told in earlier classes. So that is equal to 100 by 20, that is equal to 5 ohms. So this R equivalent here, so R3 resistance, the overall resistance over here is 5 ohms. So here we have 3 resistances. So same problem as we done in the previously, we have to do this. So the R equivalent will be 5 plus 3 plus 2. So that is equal to 10 ohms. So here they asked us to find only Vx across 2 ohms. So V across 2 ohms is voltage source 10 into. So where we are finding voltage, we have to write here, and the R equivalent. What is the R equivalent? 10. So that is equal to 2 volts. So in the same way we can find the 3 ohms also. How we have to find? 10 into 3 by 10 and 10 into 5 by 10. So in this we can find all the voltages. So this is the third problem on the voltage division. So here we have the circuit. So it is same as the we have done in the previous problem. So first we have to find the overall voltage, overall resistance across here, overall resistance across here, so that we can find the Vx value and the Vy value. So firstly these two resistances are in parallel. So if they are in parallel, so the formula is 4 is parallel with 4. 4 into 4 by 4 plus 4. So how we got means R equivalent. So the formula to find the R equivalent is 1 by R equivalent by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So the two resistances values. So R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. So taking LCM, and then the reciprocal R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. So from this we got, so 4 into 4 by 4 plus 4, that is equal to 16 by 8, that is equal to 2 ohms. And nextly 10 is parallel to 10. So that is equal to 10 into 10 by 20, that is equal to 100 by 20 is equal to 5 ohms. And now the resistance across, total resistance we have to find. So the R equivalent will be, what is the R equivalent? 2 plus here 4 plus 4, 4 parallel to 4 we got 2, plus 10 parallel to 10 is 5, and here we have 2. So totally 6 plus 5, 11 ohms. And V1 is same as the previous problems, R1 by R equivalent, or the 2 ohms into Vs, that is equal to 2 by 11 into voltage source is 10, so that is equal to 1.8 volts, and the Vx value, so Vx value, so the voltage across Vx, the resistance R equivalent is 2, so 2 by 11 into 10, that is equal to 1.8 volts, and the Vy value is R equivalent, so that is 10 into 10 5 by total resistance 11 into 10, that is equal to 4.5625 volts, and the V4 value is equal to R4 by 11 into Vs. So R4 value is 2 by 11 into 10, that is equal to 1.8